Promoting your Amazon affiliate website, Part 1. Creating an Amazon affiliate website is a magnificent first step towards the life that you have always dreamt about, including sound financial stability and a job that doesn't feel like a job anymore. And in order to make your Amazon affiliate business pay for more than your bills, you need to hone out your online marketing skills, because as you can see, the Amazon affiliate program is quite different than other online affiliate programs. Because good product reviews are the pillar of a decent Amazon affiliate website, you will have to go several steps further to have an advantage over your competition and make the most out of your affiliate offers. So in this video, we are going to show you the most successful methods to promote your Amazon affiliate websites. Always link to your posts. One of the best ways to make the content on your Amazon affiliate website relevant, no matter how much time passes, is to always put links between your content. You can do this by linking to other product pages using in-text URLs within your content. Take, for example, this post about the best wireless exercise earbuds using an in-text URL that links to a different product page, which also has affiliate links. This way it ensures that older posts continue to be relevant. Create lots of DIY content. DIY, or do-it-yourself content, is an amazing traffic magnet because everybody likes to start a good project. And the more tools that list for a DIY project, the better it will convert. Do-it-yourself tutorials are amazing for bringing in traffic from search engine queries to your website. Another benefit of DIY content is that it doesn't look like marketing at all to your visitors, because it's there to guide them through a process that can be hard to tackle by themselves. Take this DIY car wash project page, which casually inserts affiliate links to relevant products. Fine-tune your SEO skills. We already told you the importance of using long-tail keywords on every piece of product-oriented content within your website, but that might have been an understatement, because using the appropriate keywords is what will allow you to reach the kind of people interested in the types of products that you promote on your Amazon affiliate website. To find which keywords are useful to use on your niche websites, you can simply use Google. There is one thing that will allow you to learn which keywords or set of keywords will leave you with the highest profits, and that is when your keywords are auto-completed in the search bar before you finish entering the search query. Apply these simple techniques on your blogs and see how immediate the results can be.